Hello, and thanks for coming along to Hey, You're the Best. Now, we all know that there's a lot going on right now. There are a lot of people in our lives that are being flexible and making changes that they've never had to make and working in ways they've never had to work. So I thought it might be nice for us to work on a song that maybe you could sing it to mom or dad or grandpa or grandma or your next door neighbor or your dog or your teachers, whoever you feel like is doing a really great job, that you think they're the best, and that you really are thankful that they are part of your life. This is a song for them. So, I also think it's a song for all of you because I'm really, really proud of all the hard work that you are doing, the time that you're taking to learn in a new way, and talking to your teachers in a different way, and talking to your friends in different ways. You're all working really hard and you should be super proud of yourselves, and I think you are all the best. So here we go. We're learning Hey, You're the Best. For this song, as I'm singing along, you can play an instrument, you can dance a little bit. Just make sure you come back to us on the chorus, which goes like this. Hey, you're the best, better than all the rest. In my eyes, you're number one. I'm totally impressed. I'm gonna sing that one more time so you know how it goes. Hey, you're the best, better than all the rest. In my eyes, you're number one. I'm totally impressed. Nice. All right, you can start your dancing or get your instrument, whatever you'd like to do during this song. This is your time. Sometimes we just stop to say, hope you have a special day. Bring you breakfast in your bed. Whoops! The toast fell on your head. Hey, you're the best, better than all the rest. In my eyes, you're number one. I'm totally impressed. Spilled some coffee on the floor. Wipe it up and pour some more. You won't mind if we make mess, 'cause you know we tried our best. Hey, you're the best, better than all the rest. In my eyes, you're number one. I'm totally impressed. Now, as we're singing this song, think about some things that you like about the person that you're thinking of. Maybe you're thinking about dad and you like how he helps you go outside and play. Or you're thinking about grandma and maybe she's been helping you with homework. So as you're thinking of these things that the people that you love help you do, take some time and tell them. Say, hey, I like how you help me, or I like when we do, because sometimes it's really nice to give someone a compliment, which just means tell them that they're doing something good. We're gonna sing our hey 2 more times. Hey, you're the best, better than all the rest. In my eyes, you're number one. I'm totally impressed. Last time, let me hear you singing. Hey, you're the best, better than all the rest. In my eyes, you're number one. I'm totally impressed. Beautiful. Great dancing, great playing, great singing. Thank you so much, and I will see you in our aloha goodbye.